Hello, my name is Nandini Medampally, and this is DoctorData. DoctorData will help researchers easily and efficiently gather data about hospital management in third world countries. DoctorData will allow researchers to effortlessly record data at the push of a button, equip all volunteers who own phones for free, store and record data even without access to the internet, and easily export data to Excel. DoctorData has three main components: multiple pathways or scenarios, a timestamp function, a questionnaire, and data storage. There are several time recorder pages, one for each scenario: surgery, checkup, and ER. On the time recorder page, there is a button for every checkpoint at which a time needs to be recorded. Merely pressing this button will record the current time. Once all of the times for the checkpoints have been recorded, simply press the button at the button labeled Store, and the times will be automatically saved to the app database. Scenarios. When people go to the hospital, they go for a variety of reasons and may not take the same route accordingly. Differences in the route may result in different checkpoints or a different number of checkpoints. For example, someone who is in the ER because they accidentally cut their hand cutting vegetables is not going to go through the same path in the hospital as someone who is in the hospital for a checkup. As a result, we created a scenarios page which allows the user to go to a separate time recorder page for surgery, checkup, and ER. This is an example of an ER scenario, or of the path a patient might take throughout the hospital if they are going for an ER emergency. Questionnaire. The DoctorData app is also capable of gathering non-time-based data using a questionnaire. There are two questionnaires. Questionnaire 1 is a survey of what the patient expects from a hospital. Questionnaire 2 is how the patient rates the specific hospital in which they are at. On Questionnaire 2, there is a section in which the patient can leave a comment if they should so choose. Data storage. All data will first automatically be stored onto the app's database on the phone or device itself. From the app database, the data can then be exported onto a main computer. This is ideal for a developing nation where power outages and unreliable internet may be an issue. Because all information is stored onto the phone, even when there is no internet connection, data can still be stored. Once an internet connection has been regained, the researcher can download the information from the phone onto a computer where it can then be exported easily onto Excel.
Hello, my name is Sydney Calendar, and I'm another DoctorData person. I will explain what the DoctorData app looks like. So DoctorData has the first login screen. Once you press the login, you're going to go to username and password. We're going to register. Username, letters only. You're going to confirm your username, and then there's going to be a password, numbers only. Confirm your password. And it paused. While it paused.
It just paused itself? Okay.
And the password is numbers only. It keeps it. It'll tell you if it's incorrect login if something doesn't match up. There's no character limit on the password or the username, so be as creative as you possibly can. You can type in your username and your password, and you're going to press login. You have 3 checkpoints: surgery, checkup, ER. We're going to press ER for this scenario. Your date's going to be aligned with your date on your laptop, computer, or tablet. You're going to type in your username at the username box. There's 18 labels here. Not all options are needed, but these are all options to when admitted to the ER. You're going to press the first one, and it's going to appear in military time. Once that, you're going to create a new time lock, so it's going to be saved underneath each one. You can change it. For ours, we're changing it to show you it does do over a span. Once done, you're going to press store, and then you're going to go to questionnaire. there are 2 parts to the questionnaire. From 1 to 7, 1 is strongly disagree and 7 is strongly agree. The first 10 questions of questionnaire part 1 is what are expectations of a modern medical facility? It's in numbers only so that it makes it easier for the person or volunteer to type everything in. Once done, you're going to press save and then you're going to press next. Questionnaire part 2 is the perception of the medical facility you just went to. It's also from 1 to 7, with 1 being strongly disagree to 7 being most strongly agree. And then at the end, there's a comment section where you can put any comments you had about the app or the volunteer or anybody in the comment section. I said DoctorData is awesome. After this, you're going to press comment to save the comment, and then you're going to press save to save the questionnaire. Once done, you return to the home page. The home page has surgery, checkup, and ER, and you can start over again. This is important to me because I recently went to Barbados last summer, and my grandmother broke her thumb while cleaning, and when she broke her thumb, it took 10 hours for her thumb to put in a cast because x-rays, diagnosis, and treatment, and we had to be running through different buildings to get paperwork, and it was a chaotic mess. Hospital management can be done more efficiently once researchers have enough data about different developing countries in doing so. Hello, it's Sydney Calendar and
Nandini Medampali. Going forward, we want DoctorData to be able to help other third world countries beyond just Barbados. That's why Sydney and I have partnered with the researchers at Fayetteville State University. Over the summer, the researchers will be going to Barbados to use DoctorData in order to help them gather data about the hospital management in Barbados.
Thank you and have a great day.